It's an opiate, so it's related to things like hydrocodone or codeine. It just doesn't have the pain relief properties, but it's still in that family. So at high enough doses, you can overcome some of the weaknesses, I guess, as far as how it binds to some of those receptors, and they can get hallucinatory highs and things like that. That's what they're going for.
Among all the new Texas laws taking effect on September 1st, one deals with popular over-the-counter cough medicines. Minors will no longer be able to buy products containing dextromethorphan. It's a cough suppressant in more than 100 over-the-counter cough medicines. In large quantities, it can cause hallucinations. Wagner says that while minors will no longer be able to purchase the cough suppressant, they can still have access to it at their homes, and parents should be aware of this. If you suspect anyone has taken large quantities of dextromethorphan, get emergency help. For ContraValleyHomepage.com, I'm Amanda Lozano.